Medford Remodeling is a design-build firm based in Arlington, Texas. We specialize in high-end designs and projects, and we are a turnkey company from the beginning, starting with designs, project management, all the way through the end of your project. I really hope that it gives them confidence in their skills, and excites them about the possibilities in the industry. Whether they're going to be in remodeling, they want to be a carpenter, or some other trade in our industry. We want them to know that there is a future and a need for them. So I just want to start with that. Very proud of the students, and grateful for the AISD for putting on such a great event. Really enjoy being there. And then to anybody considering a career in the trades, just keep pushing, keep learning, and don't be afraid to build something great.
I'm Chris Grimaldo. I'm the principal of the construction teacher here at Arlington ISD, and I coordinate the AISD Trades Competition. Today, I have 3 teams working together on doghouses. These doghouses right here. In those teams, there are teams of 5. So a total of 15 students are competing against one another. And each one of these students here are pretty much from a different class. None of these are teammates. They just come together, they communicate like professionals, they understand how to do the drawings, they understand how to do the math, and they just kind of help each other out along the way to build everything, this whole house in 4 hours. Part of our fundraiser. So Beck did actually pay for all the lumber on this one, not all the lumber, but the majority of the lumber. Medford did donate some wood here as well. But we're gonna, since this is all profit, we're gonna be able to sell these at pretty much a discount price as well. So it's a fundraiser for us. So we're gonna have 5 doghouses total. Hopefully we can make a good chunk of money out of this. Community, everybody. We're gonna put it up on our social medias. We have a social media on TikTok and a social media on Instagram. And we'll just post them up, see whoever wants.
Hey, my name is Devin Garrity. I'm the construction teacher at Bowie High School. Today, we have 3 separate teams out here in our AISD Trades Competition, working through some picnic tables, start to finish, building, painting, and finishing it off. Great day out here. Really looking forward to it. Class is really focused on learning proper safety. How do we work well as a team? How do we get new instructions and apply them? And how do we make little mistakes and learn from those little mistakes? How do we grow as employees? How do we grow as teammates? How do we grow as students? So today we get to showcase our safety of our hand tools, our ability to manipulate the hand tools, get out here, work as a team, and finish a project within a deadline.